If you're a homeowner looking for help to sell your house fast, you're on the right page. We at We Buy Any Houses create unique solutions that can't be created outside the real estate world. We close fast. If you're looking to close between 7 and 14 days, we close fast, we pay cash, and that's how we operate. Of course, we make a profit, but we are solving a situation where you might be behind payments, you might be in foreclosure, you might have a house that needs a lot of work and you don't have that time to put in that house. You might have inherited the house and the house means nothing because it's old, it's not been upgraded, you can't live in it, and so forth. If you get the idea and that's you, go ahead, scroll down, you'll find a form on the page, and all you need to do is submit your information and we'll contact you shortly. Now, in case we don't contact you, it's most likely is we won't be interested in the property. Because, hey, we can't buy all the properties that people come up and tell us they want to sell. We do choose the properties that will benefit us in the long-term future. Now, if that sounds fair to you, go ahead, fill up the form and press submit. And we will talk to you soon.